Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Train Your Brain with Nabil. In today's lesson, we are going to solve IGCSE Mathematics Core Paper 1-2, one question at a time, using simple steps and exam-friendly methods. This video is perfect for core students who want to understand the paper, score easy marks, and feel confident on exam day. Keep your notebook ready, pause the video whenever needed, and try the questions with me. Let us begin IGCSE Mathematics Core Paper 1-2. Formula sheet is given. So let us start question number 1. Write the number 16,062 in figures. So it would be 16,062. This write 3 quarters as decimal. 3 quarters means that there are 4 parts and it will be 3 divided by 4. Total parts are 4 and 3 parts are written as a numerator. So we have to divide it. So 3 divided by 4 means we'll put decimal as this value is smaller, 0 here. 4 sevens are 28, minus will subtract, it would be 2, will drop 1 0, 4 fives are 20. So 0.75 will be answer. So part B, as a percentage. So 3 upon 4 times 100. Whenever you change a number or a fraction into percentage, you always multiply by 100. So you can reduce this 2 times 2, 2 times 50, and 2 times 1, 2 times 25. So 25 times 3 would be 75%. Next question. Write down the value of under root 36. So this is very simple. We can write 6 times 6 whole under root, and this becomes 6 square under root, and square will cut by under root. The final answer would be 6. Next part. 10 raised power 3 can be written as 10 times 10 times 10. So it will be 1000. The diagram shows a line AB and a point P. Measure the length of line AB in millimeters. So we'll take help of the scale. So let us start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 0.12, 9.2 actually this is. Now we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 9.2 centimeters will be how many milliliters? So we have to cross multiply. X times 1 is equal to 10 times 9.2. So remove the decimal. 0 will remove by 0. 92 would be the answer. It is in millimeter. Next part. Draw a line through point P that is perpendicular to line AB. So we'll take help of a protractor, and we'll place protractor on P, and 90 degree we have to uh, mark, and it would be here, like here somewhere. Now we remove the protractor. Now with the help of scale we will draw a line. So this is the line that is perpendicular to line AB and passes through P. Next question. Question number 5. Complete this statement. 10 weeks is equal to days. So we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days, and 10 weeks is equal to question mark. So we'll do cross multiply. X is equal to 7 times 10 is equal to 70. Next question. Shade 2 upon 5 of a rectangle. So for that purpose, first of all, we have to see the number of boxes inside a rectangle. For that purpose, we can multiply length with breadth. So for length, we just have to count the number of boxes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes, and the breadth 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the breadth. Now multiply them. 7 times 5, 35. And we have to find out 2 over 5 of the rectangle. So it will be 2 upon 5 times 35. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are, and 7 times 2 is equal to 14. So we have to color 14 boxes, and it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. In this way we have to complete this question. Now next question. Find the value of the reciprocal of 1 by 3. So this is very simple. So the reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 over 1. Write 2 to raise power minus 3 as a fraction. So first of all, make this value positive. It will be 2 to raise power 3, and it will be 1 upon 2 times 2 times 2, and it will be 1 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 1 upon 8 is the answer. Next question. Put one pair of brackets into each calculations to make it correct. We are going to insert bracket around 2 and minus 3. So let us see what happens. So it will be minus 12 plus 4 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 16. So it will be divided. So it will be minus 12 and minus 4 is equal to minus 16, as plus 4 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 4. So afterwards minus 4 and minus 12 is equal to minus 16 is equal to minus 16 is your answer. Now for B part, we have to insert bracket here around 4 and 7. So it would be minus 3 minus 4 plus 5 is 9 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So it will be minus 5 is equal to minus 5. So answer is justified. Next question. Write these fractions in order starting with the smallest. Students, you have to see the largest value in denominator, that is 24, and also see that the rest of the denominators just like 8, 12, 3, 4, they are factors of 24. So the easy way is that you can make denominator single. In other words, you have to multiply each denominator with a number in such a way that you get 24. For example, if I multiply 4 by 6, I get 24, and you have to multiply the top value and the bottom value as well. Now if you multiply 3 by 8, you get 24, and over here if you multiply 12 with 2, you get 24, and if you multiply 8 by 3, you get 24. Now after multiplying, we have 15 upon 24, 11 times 2 22 upon 24, and 2 times 8 16 upon 24, and 3 times 6 18 upon 24, and 13 over 24. Now see the smallest one. The smallest value is 13 upon 24. This should be written here. Then afterwards 15 over 24, it should be written here. And then 16 over 24, it should be written here. Then 18 over 24, and lastly 22 over 24. In this way we can arrange. In this question, a cuboid has length 5 cm, width 2 cm, and height 3 cm. Draw a net on the 1 cm square grid. So students, let us draw a cuboid. So length is 5 cm, width is 2 cm, and height is 3 cm. We know that a cuboid has 6 faces, and we have to draw all 6 faces technically. So let us start drawing with the back. It is not necessary that you always start drawing from the back, but it is easy to draw. So let me draw this rectangle separately. So its length is 5 and breadth is 3. So let me draw this first. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then breadth is 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3 again, and 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this is back one, back rectangle, 5 and 3. Now look at the sides one. This is a right rectangle that has shared a common height, that is 3. So let me draw this separately. So its breadth is 3 and length is 2. So let me draw 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 2. And same rectangle we have to draw on left side as well, having the same measurement. So 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. Now uh, check the bottom horizontal rectangle, that is this one. Let me draw it separately. This is the bottom one. Its length is 5 and breadth is 2. So let me draw 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. No, afterwards check the front one, the front one, and let me draw it. Its length is 5 and height is 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now last one, the top one is left now, this one, and is same like the bottom one that we have drawn before. This was the bottom, so it will be 1, 2, 1, 2 boxes and 5 boxes from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5, 2 and 2. Students, just have a look once again. So there are 6 faces. The back one, the right rectangle is the right rectangle, and this is the left rectangle, and this is the bottom rectangle, and this is front rectangle, and this is the top one, top rectangle. Students, have you seen that we have drawn 6 faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and check, there are 6 faces. Next part, Work out the volume of cuboid, that is V equals to length multiplied by width multiplied by height, and we know that width is 2 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter, and length is 5 centimeter. So let us substitute values. 5 times 2 times 3, it will be 5 2s are 10, and it will be 30. 30 cubic centimeter would be the answer. For these 6 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, write down the mode. Mode is most repeated value, and that is 2. So 2 is your answer. The work out range, the difference of largest value minus smallest value, and the largest value is 7 and smallest value is 0. So it will be 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Now work out median. So median is the middle value. Let me write numbers here again: 0, 2, 2, 3, 4, 7. As these numbers are already arranged, when we have to see that your median is lying in between 2 and 3, so we are going to take average of these two numbers. So it would be 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. Now work out mean. Mean means centered value or average. Centered value or average is called mean. So for that purpose we have to add all numbers: 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7, divide by total number of numbers, and those are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 numbers are there, so we have to add them. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 7 18. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. This is the answer. Next question. Tim has a method for multiplying a number by 99. He shows his method for 53 times 99. The method is shown here. Just check. If Tim's multiply 53 by 99, he gets 53 times 100 minus 53, and then again he gets 5300 minus 53, and final answer he gets 5247. In this way we have to work out with this number, that is 85 times 99. Now according to Tim's method, it will be 85 times 99 is equal to 85 times 100 minus 85. Now 85 times 100 is 8500 minus 85, and we have to subtract it. 8500 minus 85, and definitely we have to take one carry from here, and here would be 10, here would be 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and 9 minus 8 is 1, and here would be 4. So it would be 8415. This is the answer. Next question. A quadrilateral mean 4 sides, has geometrical properties, 4 equal lengths. Definitely it can be a square or rhombus. We have to select one of these two shapes. 2 lines of symmetry. Square cannot be, because there are 4 lines of symmetry in a square. Now, rotational symmetry of order 2. A square cannot be, because the rotational symmetry of a square is 4. So rhombus is left. So this is the right answer, that is rhombus. Write down 2 geometrical properties of a rectangle. So let me draw a rectangle here. Uh, if you see that it has 2 pairs of opposite side, this is one property. Parallel sides. And 4 angles are equal to 90 degree. C part. The parallel sides of a trapezium have the lengths 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. The area of trapezium is 15 centimeters square. On 1 centimeter square grid, draw a trapezium with these lengths and area. So we know that area of trapezium is equal to half times perpendicular height times sum of parallel sides. So area is 15, 1 upon 2 times height is missing out. So one of the parallel sides is 6 and the other one is 4. 6 plus 4. So we'll solve further. 1 by 2 times h times 10. 2 times 1, 2 times 5. 15 is equal to 5h. So divide by 5. 15 divide by 5. The height would be 3. Now we are going to draw. So one parallel side is 6 centimeter and other is 4. So we can draw 4 here, or 6, it's up to you. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And height is 3. 1, 2 and 3. And the other parallel side is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now join with this one. Now this is our trapezium. Next question. Complete the table for the values for y is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 2. So there are some values which are already calculated, and we have to find the rest of the values. So first of all, we'll substitute minus 3. So let us show some working here, that y is equal to minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 minus 2. It would be 0. minus 5. So the value of y is 0. Now we will substitute minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 plus 3 and minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2 and this becomes minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and this becomes minus 6. Now we'll substitute 0. So y is equal to 0 plus 3 and 0 minus 2. So 0 plus 3 means 3 and 0 minus 2 means minus 2. So it will be minus 6. 2 times minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Now we'll substitute 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 3 and 2 minus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 minus 2 is 0. When you multiply any number with 0, you get 0. So it will be 0. Now we have to substitute 3. So y is equal to 3 plus 3, then 3 minus 2. Y is equal to 6 into 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. The value of y is 6. Now we have to plot them. Students, you have to keep in mind one thing about scale. So along x-axis, take a very first number, that is 1, and divide by the number of boxes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can also take 2, but for that purpose you have to uh, divide your like value, that is 2, by 20. So that is a long procedure, or otherwise this is very simple way. So 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1 for one box. Now for y-axis, take first number, that is 1. 1 divided by a number of boxes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for 0.2 for one small box. So this is a scale. Now we have to plot values. The first value is against minus 4, we have to write 6. So it will be minus 4 and 6 would be here. We have to put a small cross. Then against minus 3 it is 0. And against minus 2 it is minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4 would be here probably. And then minus 1 and minus 6. Minus 1 and minus 6 would be here. And then then 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 would be here. And 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 would be here. And 2 0 would be on x-axis, and 3 6 would be here. Now we have to join them. We have to make a smooth curve. This is wrong, because It should be a curve, not V shape. So let me erase it and draw again. It is right. No, this is a curve. Now, afterwards, write down the coordinates of the lowest point of the graph. So your lowest point is this one, and that is in the middle of -1 and 0. It is minus 0.5 for x-axis, and for y-axis, as we have to write the coordinates, so it will be minus 6.8. This would be the answer. Minus 0.5 and minus 6.8. Now next, write down the equation of line of symmetry of the graph. Line of symmetry is also called the minimum point, or where your curve bends, and that is minus 0.5. This is your actually line of symmetry. If you check with the scale, look here. So minus 0.5 is called line of symmetry as well, or equation of symmetry. So minus 0. We have to write the equation actually. So it would be x is equal to minus 0.5. Now the last part, use your graph to solve equation x plus 3 x minus 2 is equal to 3. As just compare this with the original one, and the original one is x plus 3 and x minus 2. This is the original equation. Students, if you compare this with this one, so both are same. So in place of this we can write y is equal to 3, and we have to draw a line, a horizontal line, and we have to take help of a scale. And we have to write the answers as well, or we have to find the values for x. So it will be one answer would be minus 3.6. It is minus 3.1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, approximately minus 3.5, and the other answer will be 2.1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2.5 minus 2.5 and 2.5. Now next question. Beth thinks of a positive number n. she squares n then subtracts 55. The answer is 9. Work out the value of n. So as the positive number is n and she squares n then subtract 55 and result is 9. So what is the number? So n square is equal to 9 plus 55. Add them. 9 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to take one carry. So it will be 64. N square is equal to 64. Taking square root on both sides. So n is equal to 8. This is the answer. Question number 16. The diagram shows a point P and three triangles A, B, C on 1 centimeter square grid. So let us see. Find the area of triangle B. So this is very simple. For this purpose, we can see that this is a right angle triangle. So formula would be 1 by 2 times base times height, and here base would be 1 and 2 units and height will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 units. 1 by 2 times 2 times 6, 2 times 1, 2 times 3, so it will be 2 times 3, 6. This is the area. Next part, write down the coordinates of point P. So the coordinates of point P would be x is 4 and y is minus 3. So it would be 4 minus 3. Next part, work out the coordinates of P after a translation by a vector minus 20 and 12. Actually point P is translated by this vector. We have to find out new coordinates. We know that image equals to point of object plus translation vector. So points of object are 4 minus 3. We have to write in column vector plus minus 20 and 12. So it will be 4 plus minus 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 20 minus 3 plus 12. So 4 minus 20 minus 16 and minus 3 plus 12 is 9. So these are the coordinates of image minus 16 and 9. Next question. Draw the image of triangle A after reflection in the line y is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the line of symmetry, and let me draw it. And we have to reflect object A. So it will be one box is from here and one box is from here. It will be marked will be here. One box and one box, one would be here, and 1, 2 and 3, and it will be 1, 2 and 3. It would be here 1, 2 and 3. So this is your reflected shape. Next part. Describe fully the single transformation that maps A onto B. So let us see. A onto B. Let me erase the previous working. This much. So this is enlargement case, and for that purpose we need to find out number one, center, and number two, scale factor, that is equal to image length over object length. So image is 1 and 2 and object is 1, so scale factor is 2. Now center is left. For that purpose you have to join their corresponding vertices. Students, just see that both lines are touching at one point. This is called center, that is -1, 0. So we can write here, as we have to describe it, so we have to write in this way that it is enlargement with center -1, 0 and scale factor 2. Now second part, triangle A onto triangle C. Students, if you see that triangle C is rotated, how we come to know that it is rotated? Just join their corresponding corners. Have you seen, students, like after joining they are not parallel? It means this is not a reflection, this is rotation case. So for that purpose one thing is very much clear. Let me erase the previous working. This is the center, and object is rotated 90-degree clockwise. Just check. So center is 2, 3. It is a rotation with center 2, 3 and angle is 90-degree clockwise. Next question. By writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value. So 17.8 correct to one significant will be 18. 10.3 is equal to 10 and 5.5 will be equals to 6. So we'll make changes accordingly. 18 times 10 divided by 6. So 6 times 1, 6 times 3, and 3 times 10 divided by 1 is equal to 30 divided by 1. The final answer would be 30. Next question. Find the HCF of 66 and 110. We'll find the prime factors of both values. So starting with 233 are 66 and 3 11s are and 11 ones are. So 66 is equal to 2 times 3 times 11. Now for 110, 5 times 2, 10 and 5 times 2, 2 times 11 and 11 times 1. So the prime factors of 110 would be equals to 2 times 11 times 5. So we can write values like terms under the like terms. So it will be so take the common factors. So 2 and 11 are the common factors, and highest common factor will be equal to 2 times 11, it will be 22. Next question. P is a prime number. Write down the value of P that satisfy the inequality. This is an inequality and we have to write a prime number. So the prime numbers greater than 13 are it's not 15, not 16, yes 17, and not 18, but we have to write less than 19, so 17 would be the answer. Write down the inequality represented on a number line. We have to write inequality, so it would be x is greater than equal to minus 2, lesser than 7. Closed dot is showing that minus 2 will be included, and open dot is showing that 7 will be excluded. So this would be answer. Next question. Use set notation to describe the shaded region. As this whole is color, so it would be J union K. Next question. Work out 2 whole numbers 7 over 9 times 1 whole number 1 over 5. So we'll change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So it would be 9 times to 18. 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. So 25 upon 9 times 5 times 1 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. We'll simplify. 5 ones are 5 fives are 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. So it will be 10 over 3, and we have to write our answer in mixed number. So we'll divide, and 3 threes are 9, 1 will be remainder. So it will be 3 whole number 1 by 3. Question number 22. The mass mkg of a stone is 3.2 kilogram. Correct to the nearest 100 grams. Complete this statement about the value of m. Definitely we have to find out the lower bound and upper bound of the value, and error is 100 grams, and we have to change grams into kilograms, so we divide 100 by 1000. So after dividing it, it will be 0.1 kilogram. Now we have to divide it by 2, so the error would be 0.05 kilograms. Now to find out the upper bound of the stone, we have to add 0.05 to 3.2. So it will be 3.2, 0.05, 5 to 3.25 will be the upper bound, and we also have to find out the lower bound. So it will be 3.2 minus 0.05. So we'll subtract it. 3.20 minus 0.05, we'll take one carry. It will be 5, and 1, 3.15 will be lower bound. So as we have to find out range, so lower bound would be written here, and then upper bound, that is 3.25. This is the upper bound and this is the lower bound. Next question, factorize. We have to take 3x as common. It will be 3 minus 2y. This is the answer. Expand and simplify. It means that we have to open a bracket by expanding, and also we have to compare the like terms. So 2x times x would be 2x square, minus 4 2s are 8x, plus 3x and minus 12. We have to compare like terms. So 2x square minus 8x and plus 3x would be minus 5x, minus 12. This would be the answer. Next question, solve the simultaneous equations. uh, what we can do, that we can multiply equation number 1 by 2. So it will be 10x plus 4y is equal to 6, and 3x plus 4y is equal to 27. So we can use elimination method. We'll change the sign. Here will be negative, negative, negative. It will be cancelled out. So 10 minus 3 is 7x is equal to minus 27 plus 6 will be 1 to minus 21. So x is equal to minus 21 divided by 7. X is equal to minus 3. So this is the value for x. Now we have to find out value for y. We'll substitute this value in any one of the equation. So if I substitute this value in equation number 2, so let us see, like 3 times minus 3 plus 4y is equal to 27. So 3 times 3 minus 9 plus 4y is equal to 27. Shifting will be there, and 4y is equal to 27 plus 9. 4y is equal to 36, and y would be equal to 36 divided by 4, and final answer would be 9. So minus 3 and 9 would be the final answer. 5. The diagram shows a shape made from two different semicircles with the same center. The radius of the larger semicircle is 7 centimeter. Let me denote it with capital R. And the radius of smaller semicircle is 4 centimeter. So let me denote it with small r. Now we have to work out the perimeter of the shape, and we have to give our answer in terms of pi. So this is a question actually. Perimeter means that we have to find out the outer edges. To see the outer edges, we have to find out. So first of all, let us find out these small segments. As this is a semicircle and this is a radius and this hole is the diameter. So it means this is also 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter, because radii of a semicircle or a circle are same. So now look at the bigger circle, semicircle. Radius is 7 and this is the diameter, so that is actually 14. So it would be 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter also. So this line segment would be then 7 minus 4, this is 3, and same here, this is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now this is the arc length of larger semicircle, and this is the arc length of smaller semicircle. And we know that perimeter equals to arc length of larger semicircle plus arc length of smaller semicircle plus line segments 3 plus 3. So arc length of larger semicircle would be 1 by 2 times 2 times pi times capital R, that is 7, plus arc length of smaller semicircle is 1 over 2 times 2 times pi times R, that is 4, plus 6. Now we will simplify. 2 will cut by 2 and this 2 will cut by 2. So it will be 7 pi plus 4 pi plus 6. So 7 pi plus 4 pi would be 11 pi plus 6. This is all from my side today. If this video made things clear for you, please like this video. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more IGCSE Maths Core paper solutions, revision lessons and exam tips. Share this video with your friends so they can practice too. Keep practicing, stay calm, and remember, you can pass maths with the right strategy. Take care. See you in my next video very soon.